Jai Gurudev. My name is Chinmayi BN and I am studying in grade 9. Today I am going to talk about the topic Save the Savior. What is agriculture? Yes, it's the science, art or practice of cultivating the soil, producing the crops and raising of livestock, that is rearing of animals. Agriculture plays an essential role in sustaining the economy. It is the backbone of everything that drives us. In addition to providing food and other raw materials, it also provides us with employment opportunities. Now coming on to the problems faced by the Indian farmers, we have small and fragmented land holdings. The size of the land decreases with infinite subdivisions. Secondly, we have seeds. As we all know, seeds is the basic input for any agricultural yield. But unfortunately, high and good quality seeds are out of reach of majority of small and marginal farmers. Manures, fertilizers and bioseeds. Indian soil is used for growing crops over thousands of years even without thinking of replenishing. Due to this has led to depletion and exhaustion of soil, which has led to low productivity. Irrigation. Although India is the second largest irrigated country of the world after China, only 1/3 of the crop area is under irrigation. Irrigation is very important in a tropical monsoon country like ours, where rain is uncertain, unreliable and erratic. Unless and until more than half of the crop area is brought under irrigation, India cannot attain sustained progress. India also lacks mechanization in agricultural implements. Soil erosion. Large fertile lands suffer from soil erosion by the factors of soil, wind and water. Agricultural marketing. In rural areas, due to lack of sound marketing facilities, farmers have to depend upon the local tradesmen and middlemen for their selling of crops at throwaway prices. Now coming to scarcity of capital, agriculture is an important industry. And like all other industries, it also requires capital. The role of input capital is becoming more and more important with the advancement of farm technology. As the capital is locked up in agriculture's land, they are obliged to borrow money. Now coming to one of the famous agricultural scientist Monkombu Sambashivan Swaminathan, who is also known as the father of India's Green Revolution, he has suggested the Union government to fix minimum support prices, that is MSPs, which should be at least 50% more than the weighted average cost of production. Now the use of technology also helps our farmers. Like for example, direct transfer of capital from the government to the farmer has already been initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji under the Jan Dhan Yojana. Also we have Kisan Mitra app, Krishi Maratha Vahini, DD Kisan and etc., which is another step forward. Educating our farmers is also very much essential these days. Also, government is providing technology and support to the farmers through KVKs, that is Krishi Vignana Kendra. Now in addition to all these, there were 3 farm laws which were introduced by the central government. These 3 laws stated that the farmers could sell their produce anywhere in the country and not only restricted to their district APMCs. They also made a way for contract farming between the farmer and the buyer through making an agreement between them. But in the past week, these 3 laws were repealed by the central government in the best interest of our country's security. It was mainly done due to the high protests made by the Punjab farmers, especially in New Delhi. Also, our agricultural minister, Honorable Shri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, has assured that Rs 1 lakh crore has been allocated under Atmanirbhar Bharat to Farmers Infrastructure Fund, which can be used by the farmers and APMCs too. Now to conclude with, I would like to say that the aim of the central government is to increase the farmers' daily earnings to double-fold, triple-fold and as much as possible. If India has to improve, then we shall have to make the farmers richer. Also, if we have to help farmers, then we have to get them out from the ill clutches of the middlemen who have deep rooted at all the stages. So let's not forget to thank and wish all the farmers. Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Dhanyavadaha. Jai Gurudev.